Having a balanced and healthy diet is about feeling wonderful. But with modern lifestyle come modern problems, most of which we don't even know about. Do you know what the average protein intake essential for an adult woman is? The Institute of Medicine, Food and Nutrition suggests that an average adult woman must consume 0.65 grams of protein per kg of her body weight. For example, if I'm 100 kilos, I must consume 65 grams of protein each day for a healthy functioning of my body. And that's for a non-exercising adult woman. ICMR suggests that India's average protein intake is 0.48 grams of protein per kg of body weight, which is much lesser than required. When I researched about women's nutritional requirements, I found out that we need more. We need more calcium, more folic acid, more biotin for healthier skin, nails and hair. To add to that, our specific nutritional requirements keep changing throughout our lifespan. So girls, it seems like we need to work a little harder for a healthier body and an enriched everyday life. Although luckily, while I talk about our problems, Natura More provides us with solutions. Natura More for women. Yes, for women. And somehow it comes in two of my favorite flavors, masala milk and French vanilla. Not only that, it has an exclusive blend of protein, vitamins, minerals, along with iron, biotin, calcium, and much more. Quite honestly, Natura More for Women is thoughtfully crafted to supplement our daily nutritional needs in different phases of our life to keep us under se fit. Literally, because Natura More for Women is a blend of 5 amazing dietary protein sources: whey, rice, peas, soy, and milk, which are essential for our daily needs. Not only this, the key ingredients used in Natura More for Women ensure complete wellness. Shatavari maintains my reproductive health. Haridra and biotin ensure healthy development of my skin, hair, nails and bones. Omega-3 helps in development of my brain, nervous system and vision. Iron, calcium and folic acid fight anemia, manage bone health, mineral density and even ensure health benefits during pregnancy. And that's not all. It takes care of my stress, my physical health, my mental health, my hormones and my metabolism. Simply, it takes my complete care. It's gluten-free, no GMO, no sugar added. It's basically everything you can ask for, and to top it all, it's clinically validated. Interesting, right? The best part is adding Natura More for Women to your daily diet is very easy. All you need to do is take 1 scoop of Natura More for Women and add it to lukewarm milk, water, juice or shakes. Just remember to stir well. It's that simple. Whether you're 12 years old or 50, it supports you by, you know what, keeping you under se fit. So what are you waiting for? Begin your wellness journey today. For more information on our products, log on to www.netsurfnetwork.com. You can also shop for the products on www.naturamore.netsurfnetwork.com.